Good afternoon. It's another bitterly cold day today, and over the weekend across England and Wales it's likely to stay cold, but there will be a few changes on the way. Now, high pressure is going to build across. That'll eventually kill off the showers, but we will see some weather fronts moving into the northwest, bringing some cloud and rain, but also much milder weather for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, at the moment, it's those biting north to northeasterly winds, particularly strong in the east, and staying very windy in the southeast for tomorrow. But I think by the end of the weekend, the wind should be lighter everywhere. And then into next week, we're changing the wind direction, drawing in these southwesterly winds, heralding some unsettled weather and possibly quite windy for a time later on next week. Now, that's a long way ahead, and for today, it's those northerly winds driving in lots of showers across many central and eastern areas. Particularly nasty, I think, in East Anglia and the southeast. We've had a few thunderstorms, some heavy downpours, and all those showers are moving their way further and further inland. So it doesn't look too promising out here in London, and just up the way in Norwich, not an awful lot better either. So many more showers to come, I think, across a good part of England. Out to the west, I think it will stay largely dry, and the showers becoming fewer across Scotland, with more cloud in the northwest. Now, temperatures 6s and 7s really, but in that wind it is going to feel an awful lot colder. Now, across many northern parts of Europe it's cold as well. Temperatures below average, for instance, in Moscow, and temperatures only around 3 Celsius in Paris on Sunday. Now, you can see the extent of that cold air across many northern areas. To the south it's milder. We have some weather fronts, some areas of low pressure, and this one is going to deepen to bring some very wet and windy weather through central parts of the Mediterranean, in towards Italy in particular, by the end of the weekend. Now, our wet and windy weather will become confined largely to East Anglia and the southeast by the end of the night. Bit of cloud across the far north of Scotland. In between, away from those strong winds, temperatures slipping down as low enough for a frost, and there could even be some icy patches from those earlier showers. For the weekend, cold still across England and Wales, a biting wind driving in some wintry showers in the southeast, but over the weekend the winds will ease, the showers will fade away. At the other end of the country, some thicker cloud, a little bit of drizzle perhaps on Saturday before some more persistent rain comes down from the northwest. In between, it looks like being dry with some sunshine, but also some patchy fog.